You know, I've seen sometimes it's easier, yeah.
Ese es el polvo de mentira. Péguense, péguense, péguense. Péguense todo. Ahora empezar a lanzar a Jesucristo. Yo como si tú fueras un bonito. El abuelo tuyo se la pasaba todo el día caminando para que
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone. Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Always have to stay up and watch Twilight.
Oh, yeah. I never thought about that. That was very funny. Come right here.
Right over there on that one.
when our elevator does arrive, kindly remain out here and over the number that you're on until I do ask for you to step inside. The safety belts up orderly buckle from the left to the right hand. Place only large and heavy luggage on the ground and at your feet, and you hang on to everything else that you'd like to keep safe.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, ¿cómo estás en
I do need to see everyone pull on the yellow tab of your seatbelt, please. Pull on the yellow tab of the seatbelt so that I am able to see you pull on the yellow tab. Yellow tab, please. Pull on the yellow tab so that I can see it. Arms up, folks, please. Arms up. Arms up. I do hope you enjoy your stay. If there's ever anything at all that you may ever need, it's too late. Goodbye.
You are the passengers in the first and common elevator about to ascend into a very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest and darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Welcome back, everyone. Right this
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please, come back and see us again.
God. That was amazing.
She's too young for that. I get shorts on.